Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the door switch on your Whirlpool dryer. This might also apply to some other Whirlpool brands such as Kenmore, Amana, Maytag, and more. If you're in need of a replacement door switch for your Whirlpool dryer, visit the Parts Doctor link in the description below. We offer fast shipping and exclusively provide genuine manufacturer replacement parts for a wide range of all major appliance brands. The door switch tells the dryer that the door is shut and safe to start a drying cycle. If the door switch is broken or malfunctioning, the dryer will either not start or not stop when the door is opened or closed. The door switch is also responsible for activating the drum light to be on when the door is open. The tools that you'll need for today's repair are a Phillips screwdriver, small putty knife, and something to hold the dryer top open. This repair requires the opening of the cabinet of the dryer, so it's important to disconnect the power from your dryer. You may want to wear long sleeves and gloves as the edges of the dryer panels and components can be extremely sharp. Locate the lint screen and pull it from the lint chute and set it aside. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws under the lint screen. Be sure not to let the screws fall into the lint screen chute. There are two clips holding the top panel onto the cabinet that are located approximately 2 inches from the edge of the dryer. Using a putty knife, gently press the clip back to release the top. While you are pressing the clip, gently pull up on the top panel so you know when it's released. Repeat on the opposite side until the top is released from both clips. Slowly lift the top panel and either prop it up open or gently rest it against the wall. Be aware that the hinges are not strong enough to support the top without assistance. Locate the wiring harness in the front right corner and carefully disconnect it by releasing the small clip holding the two connectors together. Use your putty knife or a small screwdriver to release the tab. With the dryer door open, locate the two Phillips head screws holding the door switch to the front panel. With one hand holding the door switch from inside the panel, remove both screws. Remove the old door switch by lifting it up and out of the cabinet. If you need to purchase a replacement door switch, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part, like the one we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below for this exact part. Otherwise, you can search partsdoctor.com with a model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install your new switch, slide the new door switch arm through the mounting hole in the back of the dryer's front panel with the switch arm bent outwards. Hand thread the screws until both are started. You may need to look over the top panel to line up the mounting holes with the screws. Be sure not to over-tighten. Test the switch by making sure it clicks when you press it and that it's securely tightened to the cabinet. Be sure all wires are clear and won't be pinched. Gently close the top of the dryer and firmly press each corner into place until you hear it snap back into place. Replace the two screws near the lint chute. Again, be careful not to let them fall down into the chute. Finally, slide the lint screen into the lint chute opening. And that's it. Congratulations, you've completed the repair. If any part of this video has helped you, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And if there's anything that you discovered along your journey as a DIYer, leave them in the comments below. It really helps out the next person, and we love hearing your success stories. That's all for today. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.